How to sign up for a Bumble account. Let's get you started with your very own Bumble account. Open the Bumble app on your phone. You will see the welcome screen with a bright yellow background. Tap Create an account. Enter your phone number. You will receive an verification code through SMS. Type it into confirm. Now it's time to set up your profile. Add your name, add your birthday, and tap continue. Confirm your age, and after that, choose your gender. Continue. If you want to add your email, you can add, or you can just skip this part. Bumble will ask you some question. Answer it as your preference. Upload a new photos. Make sure your photos are clear and authentic. Tap continue. And just like that, your Bumble account is ready to go. And that's it. You are all set to start swiping, matching, and chatting. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick guides.